Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter on your Honda Odyssey. This is a 2015, but a lot of the models are going to be similar. So we'll start with the air filter and then we're going to move to the cabin filter. First, the air filter. This is my brand new one here, and I'm going to remove the old one, and let me show you how to do that. There's 3 clips you need to remove. This one, you just remove them by pushing them down. This one, and then one back here. Where are you? Okay. Alright, so at that point, this is now free. So pull it this way and it can come up. Alright, so you can pull this out. And it's probably been about maybe 18,000 miles since I changed this. So you can see it's not terribly dirty, but it does definitely has some dirt in it. Alright, so now let's install the new one here. Install on the new one, orientation is going to be like this. Pull that up. And you're going to want to make sure it sits exactly right, because the outside seal, you don't want to smash that. Okay, so push this back corner in, push it down, push the straps back in. Alright, filter is changed, easy peasy. That's probably like 50-60 bucks at the dealership. You just did for 15. Alright, on to the cabin filter. Alright, now on to the cabin filter. So this is back behind the glove box, so pull the glove box down, and there's little tabs on the inside here, and you're going to want to take those off. Okay, and then also there's a little like hydraulic arm thing here, and push that back this way. Alright, now this is what houses the cabin filter. So basically on both sides you want to push this little piece in, and that will pull the cabin filter out. This thing's probably going to be filthy. Alright, so that is absolutely filthy. And there's my new one I'm going to put in. Let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so new filter's in, and I'm literally just gonna new filter's in. Just line it up, push it in, snap. All right, we're all set. And as far as this goes, it's kind of tough with one hand, but basically put that down, and then this little arm right here, this little arm, oh, it's really tough to see. There's a little clip right back here, and this little arm clips into it. And then these push in, and then you're all set. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.